Welcome back. This is one in a series of tutorials aimed at introducing the novice user to Inspiration 8 concept mapping software. And in this tutorial we're going to look at the specific topic of checklists which allow you to use Inspiration as a modest project planner. So let's say that our project is a family reunion. Okay, and we've got some of the things mapped out here. Now, one of the things we can do to make this a little simpler is we can go to the Arrange menu. We can select Tree. We have the choice very often it defaults to tree direction down, but for this process we're going to use it tree direction right. And we're going to click Auto Arrange. Auto Arrange is going to make sure that as we add bubbles it will put them in the appropriate place. We can also change the link style. Right now it's set to right angle, which serves our purposes just fine. And we'll click OK. Now what we see is that it has automatically arranged things. Here's our family reunion, meals, games and activities, and registration. So now we haven't got anything in games and activities, so we click there and we'll just go to rapid fire mode. And we'll say someone has to bring the Wii, and someone has to organize potato sack races, and someone's looking after the whist tournament. Now, our auto arrange is somewhat limited there, you can see, until we click. And now it's pushed everything over. I might want to just resize these bubbles. Or symbols so that they're similar in size to those others. So that has us now with an organization and a bit of a checklist of what we need to do to organize our family reunion. However, it's not yet a checklist, but if we go to Tools and Show Checklist, and we'll also leave the Smart Checklist checked. You notice it was by default here. Each of these becomes a checkbox. Now, that means that as these things are taken care of, we can check them off. Now here's the neat part. Let's say that we've got the Wii organized and someone's got the potato sack races looked after and someone has the whist tournament looked after. Automatically, when we get all those things checked, games and activities now is checked. And that works in both directions. Let's say that we have looked after everything under registration. We can just check registration and it automatically checks these boxes over here. So that's how we can use Inspiration as a simple project planner. You could use this in the classroom where students have to do anything that takes an extended number of steps. A research paper, a science fair project, anything where a great deal of planning is involved, Inspiration can serve as that planning tool.